Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of making a menu in Scratch. So we have got two buttons here which interact with the mouse pointer when we hover over the buttons. Now we are going to make the different menus. For example, the home menu, gallery menu and the main menu. For that we will go to the backdrops menu and just paint our custom backdrops for home menu, gallery menu and the main menu. So let's go. So first of all, let's make a main menu. For main menu we just write the custom name menu, and now let's just give it a color, background color. So for main menu we will give a light green color. So I'll just drag the shape like this. So this will be our main menu, and I'll just write something here. I'll just write the menu in the middle, menu, and let me just drag and make it a little bit larger. So this is our main menu. So this is our default menu backdrop, and let's just give it some design. Which color? Okay, green, yellow, orange. Okay, let's give it an orange color design. Okay, this is our main menu, and now we'll make our another menu, home menu. So let me just write down home here, the costume name home for backdrop, and again for the home menu we will just choose another backdrop, blue color. So this is our home menu, and similarly write down the menu name, HOME home, HOME home. So this is the backdrop for the home menu, and just give it a design as well. Okay, black. Okay, so this is our home menu backdrop, and we are going to add another menu. So the gallery menu, GALLERY, gallery, and for gallery we have to, okay, this black color looks fine, black backdrop. And just use another color for the yellow color. Control V. So this is our gallery menu. And just don't forget to write down gallery here with the white color, GALLERY. So this is the gallery menu. So the main menu, home menu and the gallery menu. So our backdrops are ready, and let's go to the home sprite here, home button sprite. And at the first when we click on the green flag, we have to switch the backdrop to the main menu, that is the menu. So let's just drag the switch backdrop to menu and just put on the top below the when green flag click block. Okay, now let's try it out. So when we place the green flag, this is our main menu and these are our buttons, and if we click on the home, it should go to the home menu. For that, let's add another code, and it's very simple. Go to the events, and when the sprite, this sprite is clicked, so we are going to just use this one. When this sprite is clicked, what should we do? We should go to the another backdrop, and for that what should we do is just go to the looks, and we will just switch the backdrop. So which backdrop it should be? It should be the home backdrop. Yeah, and let's try it out. So I will click the green flag, and if I press the home button, it will go to the home backdrop, but these two buttons need to be hidden as well. So for that, let me just introduce another code, that is go to the events, and we'll just broadcast a message after we switch the backdrop, or we can just use the broadcast message first, and we are going to broadcast a new message called hide menu. So we are going to hide the menu, means hide these buttons. Yeah, so we are going to broadcast hide menu and drag another block called the when I receive message. So which message? So when I receive the hide menu message, what should we do is we just need to hide. So here we need to hide the button here. Yeah, and just drag this code and just drag it to the another button as well, like this, and it will just drop the same code here. So when I receive the hide menu, we'll just hide. Yeah, and let's try our code again. So we are in the main menu here, and if I just click on the home menu, so we go to the home area, home menu. Yeah, so but now we can't find the back button, and we can't go anywhere. So we need to solve this problem as well. For that, what should we do? Let's just go on the home sprite again and just click on here. So our menu has been hidden. Yeah, so for that, to solve this problem, what should we do is at first, when we just press the green flag, we need to show our sprite like this. Yeah, just drag the show block and just put it in the top of the code below the when green flag click block. And for the gallery sprite as well, gallery button as well, do the same thing. Just drag the show block and just drag on top of the variable loop below the green flag. And if we click on the green flag, now our buttons are shown, and it looks like this. And if we go to the home menu, we go to the home backdrop, but we can't go anywhere now. Yeah, so to solve this problem, let's just first of all, let's just go to gallery as well. Yeah, for gallery we haven't done anything, so we will just copy this. So when this is sprite click block from the home menu, and just drag this to the gallery sprite as well, and just modify a code little bit. So when this sprite is clicked, we need to hide the menu as well, but we need to change the backdrop to gallery. Yeah, so let's try our code for the last time right now. Okay, this is our menu, and if we click on the gallery, it goes to the gallery. Yeah, so but there is no way to go back to our main menu. So for that, let's just introduce another button. So let's just copy this gallery button, duplicate it, and I'll just okay, so this is our gallery button. Oh, and no, so this was the copied gallery button, and I'll just name it menu. This will be our menu button, menu menu. And let's just modify some code. So we have to hide this. So instead of showing this button when we click the green flag, we have to hide this button. Yeah, like this, because it will just do the opposite of this other button, home and gallery button. And when I receive the hide menu, what should we do? We should show it actually. So it will, we will just use the opposite trick here. So instead of showing, we need to hide, and here instead of hiding, we need to show. And we will put this button in the top like this here. And also just let's just change this button's main name also. So instead of gallery, it is a menu, menu. And here also, instead of gallery, just write menu. Okay. So when we click the menu, when we click the green flag, our two buttons have been shown. And when we go to the gallery, so our menu button is shown. Yeah, but for this we need to do another thing is, when this sprite is clicked, what should we do is we have to go to the menu. Yeah, switch the backdrop to menu, and instead of broadcasting hide, we have to send a new message, that is show menu. Yeah, so we have to show the menu, but right now it will not do anything. But let's just try our code for the last time here. And so here is our main menu, and if we go to the home, it will show the home button, and there is the button for going to the menu. And if we go to the main menu, it will go to the menu, but it will not show the two buttons here. So for that we have to do something here. So in these two buttons, we have to just introduce another code, that is when I receive show menu. So when I receive show menu, that is when this button receives show menu, we have to show the button as well here. So do the same thing for the gallery button as well. Yeah, so when I receive the show menu, it needs to show the menu like this. So let's try our code for the last time. Let's see what happens. So this is our main menu, and if I click on the home, we go to the home backdrop. And if I go back to the menu, we can go back here, and we can go back to the gallery as well. Yeah, and go back to the our main menu. So when we go to the main menu, this button needs to be hidden as well. Yeah, so for that let's just introduce another code in the menu button as well. And we can just introduce hide here. So when this sprite is clicked, we need to hide this sprite. Yeah, and that's it. I think our code is ready for the final checkout. So let's see. So we have clicked the green flag, and these are our two menus. So if I go to the home menu, it goes to the home, and here is our menu button for going to the main menu. And if I click on the gallery, we go to the gallery menu, gallery page as well, and we can go back to the main menu, and the main menu is hidden as well. So thank you everyone for watching the tutorial for making the menu in Scratch. And if you like this video, just don't forget to like it and comment as well, and just don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you.